Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel and welcome to Nykaa's Hot Pink Trial Room. Nykaa's Hot Pink sale is here and our favorite products are going to be on sale for up to 50% off and more. You can also get flat 300 rupees discount on your first purchase from Nykaa, and you can use the code right on the screen here. The cart value should be above rupees 1000 to apply this code. In today's video, I'm going to share my favorite products from the Hot Pink sale and my recommendations to you all. First product is the sheet mask from Nykaa, and this is their orange peel and sandalwood face mask. This sheet mask is great to add a bit of instant glow to your skin and just sit back and relax and pamper yourself with a nice sheet mask and get a nice super glowing skin. Sheet mask is always a calming, relaxing therapy, so I love this sheet mask. The next product is Clay It Cool Anti-Acne Mask. This is a really good clay mask for your skin, especially if your skin is more acne prone or oily. It has a nice tingling sensation on the skin and just removes all the dirt and gunk and impurities away from your skin. Makes your skin nice and clear and perfect for acne prone skin. Then I have the L'Oreal Revitalift Hyaluronic Acid Serum. The serum is super lightweight and comfortable on the skin. It's slightly thicker than water, slightly viscousy in texture, and really adds that nice boost and glow to the skin on first application itself, and your skin feels really smooth and supple. This is really great to apply underneath your moisturizer since it doesn't make your skin look oily or anything. It just adds the right kind of moisture and glow to the skin. Moving on to makeup products recommendation, I have the Colorbar Perfect Match Primer. This is a very good primer for that smooth and even the out surface of skin. This is a great primer to apply underneath your makeup. It really helps your makeup to last longer, blurs out your pores and imperfections, and creates a smooth, even canvas before you apply any base product onto the skin. If you have an oily skin type, you will really like how long lasting it makes your makeup. Then I have the MAC Fix Plus, which I absolutely love. You're gonna absolutely love it if you have dry skin types, and even on my oily skin, I really like this to sort of tone down my entire base makeup or to get away of any powderiness on my skin. It just meshes the makeup and skin into one while setting your makeup in place. And also you could use this totally as a moisturizer or primer underneath your makeup as well. So it's pretty much a multifunctional product. Absolutely highly recommend the MAC Fix Plus spray. I've got the Lakme Absolute Infinity eyeshadow palette in the variant Soft Nudes. If you're a beginner, this palette is going to be great to play around and practice with makeup. Or even if you're a person who likes a lot of neutrals and nudes on your eyes, this is such a great palette to have. They have a good variety of mattes and shimmers incorporated in this eyeshadow palette. It also works really great on Indian complexions. Even if you have a deeper complexion, this is going to show up very well on the eyes. Then I have the Huda Beauty Obsessions palette in Khaki Haze. Love Huda Beauty eyeshadows in general, and this is such a gorgeous palette to have. Though it says khaki, it has bits of khaki elements in it, but the shades are very variable. We have a couple of beautiful, gorgeous, pigmented, shimmery foil eyeshadows, and few of them are duochrome as well, so they just pop on your eyelids, and really good blendable soft matte eyeshadows as well, and they all show up very well on darker skin tones as well. I absolutely recommend the Khaki Obsessions palette from Huda Beauty. Then we have the K-Beauty Cold Star Kajal in the shade Spade. This is such an amazing, affordable, pigmented, long-lasting jet black kajal. You can totally apply this on your waterline, on your lash line, or even to create an eyeliner, which is what I did today. There's no tug or pull, and the texture is super smooth and allows you to create a steady line. I use this kajal today to create this beautiful smoky winged eyeliner on both my eyes, and I love the result. Then I have the Lakme Iconic Mascara in Royal Blue. This is such a nice mascara to add a bit of pop of color on your eyes. This is the mascara that I'm wearing right now, and I absolutely love a blue mascara on my eyelashes. This mascara adds a lot of separation and length to your lashes while adding that pop of blue on the eyes. Such a great experimental mascara to have, so I highly recommend the Lakme Iconic Mascara in Royal Blue. I have a liquid lipstick from Faces Canada. This is their No Transfer Matte Liquid Lipstick, and the shade is Tea Spiller. This is such a bright, vivid, pink matte lip color. It goes on super liquidy on the lips when you apply it and just dries down to a completely matte transfer proof finish. This is a perfect lipstick to wear under masks. Then I have another favorite liquid lipstick formula of mine. This is the Maybelline Matte Ink Liquid Lipstick in the shade Voyager. This is such a beautiful lip color for dusky or deeper Indian complexion since it's more on the deeper mauve side. It just flatters deep Indian skin tones perfectly, and this is also a very long lasting and transfer proof liquid lipstick, so it's perfect to go under your mask. This is not gonna budge even one bit. Next I have the Nykaa So Creme Creamy Matte Lipstick in Wake Up Makeup. This is a beautiful nude lipstick for all Indian skin tone, so it's a universally flattering color. Even if you have a deeper complexion, this is gonna turn out to be a very pretty nude on your skin tone. And this is the lipstick that I'm wearing right now, and as you can see, it's such a gorgeous nude color for dusky complexions. Just like the name suggests, the formula is super creamy and rich, and it has a lot of pigmentation as well. Feels very light and comfortable on the lips, and it is super budget friendly as well. I have the L'Oreal B6 Plus Biotin shampoo. This is from their professional line and it's meant for anti-breakage and strengthening of your hair. At the moment I really have very fragile and weak hair. It just doesn't seem to be having a lot of strength to it, so this sort of a shampoo is perfect for that. I absolutely love how this product smells. It's very soothing and relaxing in the shower. Followed by that, I have their B6 Plus Biotin Infuser Hair Mask from the same range. This really adds to the anti-breakage and strengthening of your hair as well. And while doing that, it also adds a nice softness to your hair. I also got the Mamaearth Rice Water Shampoo. This is made with rice water and keratin, and it's supposed to give you that soft, smooth hair while making it more strengthened. Rice water is said to be an incredible ingredient in strengthening of your hair. Love the packaging, and this is a shampoo which is also meant for colored and treated hair. Then I have the Amla and Curry Leaves shampoo from Nykaa Naturals. Love the packaging of this again, very sleek and classy looking, and love how this smells. It's very nice and relaxing. This is also a shampoo meant for good maintenance of your scalp without having dandruff or anything, and also to prevent any sort of hair fall. This is a shampoo which is paraben free, SLS free and cruelty free. Then I have a shower gel from Nykaa. This is their Wanderlust French Lavender Shower Gel. I have multiple shower gels from Nykaa, so I want to give this a try. The smell is awesome as well. It's a very soft lavender scent. It's not at all harsh on the skin. It's very mild and gentle and doesn't rip off any moisture away from the skin. Then I have two travel size perfumes from Nykaa. The first perfume is called Amour, and though it is a travel size, this perfume is gonna last for very long. Amour is a nice woody fragrance with notes of jasmine and lily valley. It also has a bit of patchouli and musk, which makes it really woody. This is a great perfume to have in your purse and smell good on the go. The next travel size perfume is called Joy de Vivier. Probably I'm butchering the name, but I'm guessing it's a French name. But anyway, this is also a very strong woody fragrance, but it does have a lot of citrusy fragrance to it. Citrus fragrance is very mild, though it's not like a punchy citrus scent. It's just blended beautifully with that woody smell, and it's a good travel size perfume as well. So those were all the products to try out in the Nykaa Hot Pink trial room and my recommendations. All the products mentioned in today's video will be listed in the description box. So go check the description box for more details. Make full advantage of the Nykaa's Hot Pink sale. They have really amazing discounts. So this is it for today's video. Happy shopping, and I shall see you guys soon in my next one. Bye!